The project site, situated alongside a lush green park, presented an opportunity for the client and architect to fully leverage its natural surroundings. Designed to seamlessly blend with its environment, the project uses simple and natural materials. Opting for Shou Sugi Ban charring on the exterior achieves a double win. The burnt wood recedes visually into the landscape, and the material's scale complements the surrounding architecture. Furthermore, the charred layer offers low-maintenance durability. The screen provides visual separation from neighboring buildings while also effectively blocking harsh sunlight from entering the structure by integrating landscape vegetation growing on the screen. Throughout the project, the emphasis was placed on creating expansive, voluminous spaces to foster a sense of openness and permeability within the site. To combat sun and rain, a west-facing roof overhang extends nearly 10 feet. The west sliding door boasts operable louvers for adjustable ventilation and privacy, ideal for evenings and vacancies. This multi-layered approach and clever double-sided wardrobes exemplify the thoughtful design that permeates the entire home. A custom in-house table prioritizes both affordability and versatility, serving various functions beyond dining. Its unique design, featuring concrete bases, I-sections, and wood, offers substantial cost savings while ensuring durability through efficient weight distribution. The design employs basic materials like granite, wood, brass, concrete, and glass, carefully selected for their compatibility and ability to cultivate a specific ambience. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.